Hello, today I will show you how to install and use the IBM Next TRS Result Downloader tool. The purpose of this tool is to make it easier for users to download TRS validation results to send on to IBM Support for review. These results can be quite large, spanning many pages, and the tool is an easier way to get the data across to IBM for review. The tool is available from IBM Support, who will provide you with the validation downloader.jar file. Once you get the jar file, you can install it by navigating to the RM admin page and select L3 services. You then select Manage Tools and Upload Tool. Then you browse to the location of the jar file you just downloaded, select it and click Open, followed by Upload. Green plugin installed means that it's installed successfully, and as you can see, it's available for use. To use this tool, select on the drop-down and select TRS Validation Results Download. To get a list of the available tokens, as in the available validations that I've run, leave both criteria empty here and select Download. Once you click this, the results come back and show you each validation result. And you have the option then of either selecting one validation result to download, or you can select all. To select all, you enter star in the token field. In this example, I'm going to show both, but first of all, I'm going to show you how to select one. So I'm going to go for this validation result here. And the path I'm going to use then must be an existing path on the RM server, and it must be writable. So you click on download. And as that runs, it should complete. Okay, it's done, all good. And then we navigate then to results page. And as you can see, we have the results in its own folder here. We open them up then, and it's broken down into each area. Extra resources or missing resources or failures, they're all reported there, and anything repaired. And then we have a summary field here, which tells you exactly what happened during the validation. And that matches up to what we see on the validation results GUI page. If you decide to go and run it against all, you just put a star. And I'm going to change this now to all. So I'm going to select a different directory, and all the results will be copied to this directory which I created previously. Click on download. This is going to run across all the validation results and copy the results directly into that location. As you can see, results all, and we have each validation result downloaded. And again, you have the option to go in there and it'll give you a summary of what was done in that validation and any extras, any missing, whatever results came back from that. So you can zip up that directory then and send it on to support for review. Thank you for joining us to learn more about the Next TRS Results Downloader tool. To learn more, please click on the link in the description below.